do it.
Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So I want to share a quick PS2 news development update, and that is OpenTuna is working for the Fat PS2. It's under development right now, and hopefully sometime in the near future, I can give you a tutorial and talk about exactly how it all works. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share a short video from Alex Parado himself. He's the one that's been working on OpenTuna. He had to work on his own Fat PS2 that is running BIOS version 1.60. So in his little video here, I'll show you how to identify your BIOS version on your PS2. And currently the team, Alex Parado and testers, including myself, we're testing out his development builds on Fat PS2. And we expect this to work on BIOS versions 1.10 all the way up to 1.70. If you happen to have a Fat PS2 with 1.90, then that should also work with the existing OpenTuna that's already out there in the wild. So why is OpenTuna for the Fat PS2 useful? Well, for starters, it works on bootleg memory cards, right? So if you have a memory card that does not use Magic Gate, it's going to work. That's awesome. And we know that in Brazil and Latin America and other countries, these are very abundant, right? These fake or clone memory cards, right? Another thing is this should work for all Fat PS2 consoles once we get everything working. So this would be good news for those gamers that has the Fat PS2 console and your laser's no good because you can't run like a free DVD boot, for example, or some other, patched disk as another example, basically. So let's go ahead and run the proof of concept video here. This is from Alex Parado himself on his Fat PS2. So here we have his memory card, right? So he's going to go ahead, turn on his PS2. And if you don't remember how OpenTuna works, basically what it does in a nutshell is, assuming you have the files on your memory card, you go into the memory card browser screen, you'll see this ball or you see this orb, right? And you back out 2 times pressing circle. When you press circle on the second time and hold down circle, it will automatically go into ULaunch ELF. Otherwise, if you just press circle 2 times, then it will automatically load into the OPL program, which is pretty cool. So in this case, he goes into ULaunch ELF, right? And eventually he'll go to the miscellaneous section here and goes into the debug area. And we'll see that in a second where that is. So Debug Info is what it's called. And we'll see in a second that his PS2 version, as he zooms in here, is BIOS ROM version 160. So I have done some testing on my own separately. I have a BIOS version 1.50 on my Fat PS2 312, I do believe. And it works great, right? And I know they're testing other BIOS versions too, working out some other bugs. I can't share the files, but I'm sure in the near future, whenever that is, I'll make another follow-up tutorial, an actual video, and be able to link you guys and how to install it on your Fat PS2. I know there's some users out there, when I did OpenTuna video for the Slims, they're like, well, I wish I had it for the Fat. Well, guess what, guys? The Fat is coming. Just hang in there. And I know there are other people out there that's going to say, well, I already have FreeMcBoot. I already have OPL. That's working fine for me. So why do I even care about OpenTuna? And maybe OpenTuna is not for you, and that's okay. But like I said, OpenTuna is great for those who, especially for the Fat users that have a memory card that doesn't have Magic Gate on it, right? Or your laser's bad, so you can't boot like a homebrew disk or something to that effect. Then you can use this memory card solution as well. So that's the quick PS2 news update for today. As I have more information in the future, I'll definitely make a follow-up video and a mini tutorial, and that should be great. So if you have any other nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.